This video, I will show how can we set up printer in Anydesk application. At first, I open my Anydesk application. Now, click on Main menu. After this, go to the Settings options. Now, go to the Printer options. Here we can see, Incoming print jobs is Dismiss. We can select and use the default printer. That's mean, device default printer is set as Anydesk printer. We can also select any other printer from our printer list, as our Anydesk printer. Here we can see, all available printer in remote device. Now we can select anyone from this list, as Anydesk printer. After this, now select, Print automatically using the selected printer options. Now, this printer is used as a Anydesk printer. If we again go to the Anydesk application printer options, then we can see, our Anydesk default printer setup is done. I hope you can understand. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.